So here's how to change prices in Please Donate Roblox. First, you want to open your browser and then head to roblox.com, and then you want to click on the create button on the top and then go to the creations section, and then under experiences creations you want to select your experience, click on it, and then scroll all the way down to monetizations and then click on passes, and then you should scroll down again and you should be able to see all the passes on your experience on Please Donate or for your experience. And then you want to click on any pass that you want to change the price for. Then you want to click on the sales tab, and then in this box you want to set the new default price for the button or the pass. So for example, you can make it 200, and then you can also enable regional pricing. So that means different prices for different regions and dynamic prices. You can also press save changes to apply these changes, and then you can go back to the passes and you should see the price changed in here, and then you can also go to the game and see it updated there. You can do this pretty much for all the passes. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.